Welcome to Get Set Go crash course program for CET and NEET conducted by Karnataka government and powered by Diksha. A quick overview of the navigation about app and the contents inside the app. You need to download the app from Play Store, sign in with your CET roll number and the password which is already shared, and then sync it. The first syncing may take place over 5-6 minutes, or it may take 10-15 minutes over slow network speed. Okay, I'm going from dashboard to library. Once the syncing takes place, the app is ready to use. However, you need to download the chapter and all the modules in order that the app works offline also. However, in order to use the mobile and the app in the offline mode while taking a test, each test has to be downloaded separately. The moment you open the app, it shows this screen. The landing screen contains dashboard, basically about what you did, your activities, etc. It also contains library, that's about contents, and analytics, that's about the idea of your performance in the tests. The library contains the contents. The content is based on first year and second year topics. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology subjects are included here. You need to choose the course. Here I have chosen the CET crash course. And this course, the program is CET, and the course contains 4 subjects: CET chemistry, CET physics, CET mathematics, CET biology, and videos and mock tests are also available. So you notice there are 6 blocks. The subjects are basically learning contents and consolidation contents. CET video is about the synopsis and the classwork problems in the form of YouTube videos. Mock tests are the tests based on chapters, based on consolidated combined tests according to CET pattern. Let us choose one subject here and see what does it contain. I choose CET physics. So notice it contains modules, that is chapters, electric charges, current electricity, moving charges, and so on. And first year chapters are also present. Do you see mechanics 1, mechanics 2, heat and thermodynamics, etc.? Yes. Suppose I choose one such chapter. I click it and this is the screen I see. It contains a couple of things. One is synopsis and classwork problems. Synopsis. Synopsis is in the PPT form. It will cover and recap all the concepts of that particular chapter. For example, I open it and as I not synced, it doesn't show anything here. So it contains PPT. The classwork problems contain numerical problems. By the way, the synopsis also contains the shortcuts which are quite useful for handling numerical problems and analytical problems for handling competitive examination. Right? And classwork problem contains again problems which are discussed under YouTube also. They are in the form of 50 questions and they are given in the form of PPT. They are given in the form of PPT. And practice problems contain the problems which can be taken in the form of test. So notice there are 50 questions for 50 marks to be attempted in 50 minutes. And you need to download this by clicking the red download button, and then you can attempt the test. So this is about practice problems. And then you have practice test also, homework questions. Basically, these problems are again the problems to consolidate what you learned. There are 50 problems under each, and again in the form of test. And then you also have chapter tests, right? If I click it, I notice that chapter tests are also present under this. So each of these chapters contains the following things. What are those? Synopsis, classwork, practice problems, practice test, homework, and chapter test. And under chapter test, you have 20 questions. And this is again in the test form. Remember, any of these tests which are given here are to be taken in the test form, and you need to submit them. You need to click the submit button, and you can see the solutions and your analytics. How many marks you got, how many went wrong, etc. All the details are available. Then these are about learning content. Coming back to this CET mock test, the CET mock test contains physics group test and consolidated test, full length mock test. Likewise, chemistry group test and full length mock test. Likewise, mathematics and biology also. These group tests are tests based on a couple of chapters put together. 4 or 5 chapters are clubbed together, and 60 questions are given under each test. For example, you notice that the screen shows 60 marks, 60 questions, and 1 hour. Likewise, group test 2, group test 3, 4, 5. So each of these tests is based on cluster of chapters. Full length mock tests contain the tests based on CET pattern. Questions from first year and questions from second year are included. There are 60 questions under each test. You notice that there are 60 marks, 60 questions, and 1 hour. And you need to download the test and take the test, and then submit the button to get the analytics. So this is basically about the content, that is learning content, revision content, and consolidation content, and mock tests. This CET video also contains the same thing. As I said, this is basically a link leading to YouTube videos. So, quick conclusion. There are chapter-wise concepts, revisions, and shortcuts under synopsis. Chapter-wise practice problems are present. Chapter-wise tests are present. And full-length tests are also present. My dear children, you need to learn this content, learn the concepts clearly, and practice a lot. More the practice, obviously, more the confidence. If your confidence is high, you can ace any competitive examination with flying colors. Make use of this revision content, and all the best.